The federal government says that it has restored over 24,000 hectares of degraded land and planted trees on more than 20 million hectares of land across the country. The Minister of Environment, Alhaji Muhammad Abdullahi, said this at the 16th meeting of National Council on Environment with the theme Pursuit of Zero Emission, a Trajectory Towards Global Environment Renaissance. Abdullahi said that the effort was made possible with the support from development partners. The minister said that human activities and naturally occurring emergencies have exacerbated the impact of global phenomenon in recent years.
The National Council on Environment has over the years become a platform where challenges in the environment sector are subjected to interrogation with a view to providing solutions on the problems confronting the sector. This year's theme of the NCE, Pursuit of Zero Emission, a Trajectory Towards Global Environment Renaissance, aptly captures an environment in which we live presently, an environment threatened by debilitating effects of climate change.
He said that President Muhammadu Buhari in November 2021 signed into law the Climate Change Act.
It is important to point out that the Act, among others, provides for the establishment of the National Council on Climate Change and empowered it to make policy and decisions on all matters related to climate change in Nigeria. Furthermore, the Act also establishes the Climate Change Fund, which will help us address climate finance issues with regards to adaptation, loss and damage, innovations to reduce GHG emissions, development of technology for renewable energy, and transition to a green economy, among others.
Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Malam Musa Bello, said that the meeting was a successful gathering of the highest decision-making body in the environment sector. Bello said that the meeting will add credence to the efforts of making Abuja a conference tourism hub not just in Nigeria, but also on the African continent.
I wish to begin by congratulating the Honorable Minister of Environment for once again holding a very successful gathering of the highest decision-making body in the nation's environment sector. It is also imperative that I, once more, express my appreciation for the choice of Abuja as the host city for this important gathering, as I recall that last year's edition was also held here in Abuja. This adds credence to our effort of making Abuja a conference tourism hub, not just in Nigeria, but also on the African continent. We are working assiduously towards reducing harmful gas emissions from motor vehicles on our roads, while we continue to plant trees and encourage residents to do the same across the territory. Our long-term strategy is the use of electric vehicles for public transportation, while we continue to sensitize residents on the need to protect the environment.